Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Midea portable air conditioner P1 error. Full tank or drain required fix. Fix 1 is drain the water tank. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it. Then move the unit to the drain or place a shallow pan under the lower drain plug. Then remove the bottom drain cap and rubber plug. Let all the water drain out. Reinstall the drain plug and cap securely. Second one is clean the drain opening. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove the drain plug. Clear any dirt or debris blocking the drain opening. Then reinstall the plug and test the unit. Third one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the unit, unplug it for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Turn it on and see if the error has cleared. Fourth one is connect a continuous drain hose. Turn off the unit, attach a compatible drain hose to the drain port, then make sure the hose slopes downward with no kinks or bends. Restart the air conditioner and check if the P1 error disappear. Thanks for watching.